Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you how we install dash cameras on BMWs. This case is a 740 2019. Now we've seen a lot of people using fuse adapters, and those fuse adapters are very flimsy. You need to start looking for the right fuse. You basically powering up one fuse with two sources. So it's not always the best way. We find that the best way to install power, even if it's accessory or constant in any of those vehicles, is directly to the main harnesses, and for the accessories we're using relays. That way we don't actually overload in the accessory, we're only using it to trigger a simple relay, and the actual power comes from the main power, like the battery, like one of those big distributor powers that we have in here. So that way you don't have to worry about the quality, you don't have to worry about power incorrect, you don't have to worry about feedback or having any issues whatsoever to the vehicle. We've seen people, like I said, using the fuse adapters, and we've seen people that the fuse adapters, when they put them, if it's a push button or something else, it's actually feedbacks to the fuse, feedbacks ground to that line, and create issues from vehicles don't start or messages that you get on the dashboard. Again, short way, DIY, it may be more simple, but many times will create more issues. The way we do it, we find the accessories and we use them only to trigger our systems. By doing so, we are eliminating any chance of having anything feedbacking, anything having any issues. For more installations and how to do installations in vehicles like remote starters and other electronics, you can always find us at Car System Installation and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.